Introduction to Android App Development.
Android app development is a rapidly growing field, powering millions of devices worldwide. If you want to turn ideas into interactive apps, a solid learning path can help you build in-demand skills step by step. Let's explore how you can start your journey and what you need to know to become a successful Android app developer.
Setting the foundation, programming basics.
Before diving into app development, it's essential to learn programming fundamentals. Java and Kotlin are the primary languages for Android. Start by mastering variables, control structures, and object-oriented concepts. Free resources and online courses are widely available to help you build a strong coding foundation, even if you're a complete beginner.
Mastering Android Studio and key tools.
Android Studio is the official integrated development environment for Android development. Learn how to write, debug, and test your apps using this tool. Understanding the Android SDK, emulators, and the basics of version control with Git will streamline your workflow and prepare you for real-world projects.
Building core skills, layouts, UI, and APIs.
Next, focus on designing user interfaces using XML layouts and building smooth, interactive experiences. Learn about activities, fragments, and navigation. Working with APIs, data storage, and app permissions is crucial for making apps dynamic and functional. Hands-on practice with small projects will boost your confidence as you apply these concepts.
Prepare for the real world, best practices, and publishing.
Stay up to date with Android development best practices by learning about code architecture, app security, and optimization. Join developer communities to get feedback and keep learning. Once your app is polished, explore the process of publishing it on the Google Play Store, including handling app updates and user feedback.
Continuing your growth as an Android developer.
Technology evolves quickly. Dedicate time to learning advanced topics like Jetpack Compose, testing, and cloud integration. Contribute to open source projects or build a portfolio with your own apps. Stay engaged with the Android community and keep sharpening your skills to unlock more career opportunities in this exciting field.